How to fix Wi-Fi router LOS error, red blinking light issue. So step 1, restart the router. Unplug the router or ONT from power, wait 30 seconds, plug it back in. Wait 3 to 5 minutes for all lights to stabilize. A reboot can sometimes restore a lost fiber connection. Step 2, check the fiber cable. Look for loose fiber connectors, sharp bends in the cable, crushed or damaged sections, a cable that has been accidentally pulled out. Even a small bend can weaken the optical signal. Step 3. Check the LOS and PON lights. These are the typical meanings, with the light status being green and the LOS off means that the connection is okay. With the LOS blinking red means there's no fiber signal. With the PON off means it's not connected to ISP. With the LOS solid red, it means there's a serious fiber fault. These indicators help determine whether the problem is inside your home or on the provider's network. Step 4. Check for an ISP outage. Ask neighbors if their internet is down, check your ISP's website or social media pages, and call customer support if necessary. If multiple homes are affected, the issue is likely with the provider. Step 5. Inspect the wall fiber socket. Make sure the connector is fully inserted, the wall socket isn't damaged, and the cable isn't hanging loose. Never look directly into a fiber connector. It may emit invisible laser light. In step 6, contact your ISP. If the LOS light is still blinking red after checking everything, report a loss of signal LOS fault, request a line test, and ask whether there is maintenance or a fiber cut in your area. Many LOS issues require a technician because the problem is often outside the home. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.